ya Arutwo Kuingira Kirathi gĩa Form 1 Yambereirie Guothe Bururi-ini na Muthenya wa Umuthi icera-inĩ ritũ Thukuru-ini wa Sekondari wa St Gorges turacemania na Aciari o ũndũ ũmwe na Arutwo marĩ mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kũingĩria Arutwo Kirathi gĩa Form 1 na Aciari nĩ meyumĩrĩtie na njĩra nene.
Love the environment. The turnout was big. It was a big number, but I like the way they are so organized, the way they queue.
We are talking of 498 and we are expecting 550. And I think the system has been seamless since the morning because we are almost 80% because we are at 498 and we expect 550.
Aciari Thukuru-ini wa St Gorges Guku Nairobi mekwiyumĩrĩtie na namba nene makĩria kũingĩria ciana ciao kĩrathi gĩa Form 1 na namba ĩno yongererekete makĩria mwaka ũyũ kĩringithania na mĩaka ya nahau gabere kuona arutwo ya maraingĩra Sekondari nĩo gĩkundi kĩa mũico kĩa mũtaratara wa gĩthomo kĩa 844.
We have several stages which was made our system to flow because a student cannot sit in one session for more than 2 minutes. We had so many stations as you have gone round and you have seen. There are several admission desks, and I think we are grateful to receive the last candidature. The last students will sit for 844. As a school, we are very grateful, though the numbers are big, but we are equal to the task. This being the end of a curriculum, the parents have to ensure that their children report to school, because if they don't report, they will not fit in the CBC curriculum. So this is the last chance Kenyan child has to join secondary school under the old curriculum, which has lasted for over 40 years.
Aciari marĩkia kũingĩria ciana ciao thukuru matirahota kũhitha gĩkeno kĩao na Serina Kang'ethe nĩ ũmwe wao na nĩakeneire mũtaratara ũrĩa ũrahũthĩka Thukuru-ini wa St Gorges akiuga nĩ matungatĩirwo wega.
I brought my kid for admission from Form 1. The process has not been easy, but they are so organized. I know this thing is not easy to admit a kid. We were about many parents, but finally we have succeeded.
Mihang'o ĩno ĩgũthiĩ na mbere gwa kahinda ga kiumia kĩmwe kũringana na Ministry ya Gĩthomo ta ũrĩa Charles Odhiambo ũrĩa nĩ mwarimũ Thukuru-ini wa St Gorges aratarĩria.
Given a grace period of 1 week, that is mandatory to all Form 1 reporting in the Republic. They have a period of 1 week that is up to the end of the week. St George's being an extra county school, we get there is a certain percentage which we get within Nairobi region, and others come all over the country. Around 30% come all over the country, being an extra county school. So we still expect that students who have not reported will do so, being that they come up from country, from other counties.
Mihang'o ya muthenya mugima ya arutwo kwiyandikithia kuingira kirathi-ini gĩa Form 1 haha niho ĩgũthiragĩra arutwo marĩkia kwiyandikithia riboti-inĩ ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kuona mauma haha maratwarwo na aciari makainũka na gũtiga arutwo nĩguo mamũkĩre mathomo mao. Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV niĩ njĩtagwo Ngendo wa Njogu.